it's nothing working. Turn it on. You get to turn the car on. Oh, it's just saying that.
Now watch when it come on, the air gonna be on full blast AC.
Why it ain't came on now?
It's booting up. It's like a computer.
But your car's not on, is it?
Yeah, it's turned on.
I don't hear it running.
The engine don't gotta be on, just the key. See, look.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. You know it don't have to be on.
Now, as you can see, my steering wheel control isn't even working to turn up the volume. I have to do that here. And see, my air conditioning and heating system is not even working. There is no backup camera. No backup camera at all. And see how high my AC is up right now? There is no way for me to cut that off. It's not responding to even cut it off. My AC is up on high and just blowing on high. And the only way I can cut it off is unplug that connection and hook up my old control board to get it to cut off.